Magandang araw po sa lahat, ang mga fellow OFW. Magandang gabi po sa inyo, mga OFWs dito sa Middle East. And sa mga nasa Pilipinas, good morning. It's already 1 o'clock in the morning. So ngayon, titingnan natin yung PCI, kung ano na po yung price action ni PCI ngayong araw. Tumaas ba si PCI o bumababa? So now let's go to the screener, to the chart. We will check first the PCI. So let's go to the screener. Si PCI po ay tumaas ngayon ng 2.71%. May foreign buying na po dito na 343.24 million. So we're hoping that PCI will go up to above ME 200. Now it will level the resistance. It is somewhere in this area. Okay. So nandito po yung resistance sa may yellow line. No? So tingnan natin yung yellow line kung ma-break ni PCI. We'll check the RSI. RSI is now 72.998. So pumasok na po siya sa overbought area. Yung MACD ay umangat pa naman si MACD, going up. But the PDX ay still below 25. So we're hoping that PCI will go above this yellow line. But for me, maybe there's a retracement of PCI because now is near the AME 200, and then the resistance line above this yellow line. Because the VDX is not hindi po siya strong, no? Still below 25 level. So we'll see if PCI can break. Kung ma-break na yung yellow line at saka yung AB 200, so maybe he will hit this line here above. So we will check tomorrow kung ma-break na yung resistant yellow line above. So kasi yung RSI ay pumasok na sa may overbought area. So we'll see. Now I will share to you the screener. Thank you for watching, Claire Castro. Thank you very much. And Now I will show you the screener after there is four stock that we need to see. This stock is the one of the blue chip companies in the Philippine stock index. So ito po ay kasali sa 30 companies sa PCI, no? So we will see the first one is Jollibee. Tingnan natin yung Jollibee. Si GFC ay umangat 2 days ago, no? Kung tingnan natin yung price action ng GFC, nang pumatong siya dito sa may yellow line, this area, GFC is climbing and he break the AME 200 and now it's creating a resistant area, this yellow line. So for now, we will wait the next price action of GFC. Kasi nandito na po siya sa may resistant area. So we will wait another price action. If there is a retracement, we will watch GFC. If we see the EDX, now EDX is about 25. So it means it's strong. MACD ay above the signal line. This is a strong momentum. And one question here is the RSI. RSI is now 84, 84 level. So it means this is an overbought. So napaka-overbought na po ni GFC. So if ever na wala pa kayong shares sa GFC, just wait for a retracement. Kung may retracement si GFC sa may AME 200, we will watch the AME 20 also. So, kasi yung price action ngayon ay nasa taas na ng AME 200 and nasa resistant area. And the other thing is the overbought. So, we will see if there is a correction. And if you see the EDX is about 25 and MACD is about the signal line. So, this is good. So now, for me, I will wait a retracement of the GFC. So let's go next to EGI. We will take this four stock, EGI, DMC, and DPI. EGI is one of the companies, blue chip companies, included in the 30 companies listed in the PSEI. So, kung tingnan natin si EGI, na-break na itong resistant area today. So, if we see the momentum for EGI, the EDX is above, now it is 32. And MACD is cruising above the signal line. So the momentum is there, and the strength is there. But the issue now is the RSI. So we need to see kung mag-retest si EGI in this yellow line. Kasi mataas na po yan galing sa ibaba. Kung i-measure natin yan, it's around 11% or 10%, more than 10%. So we will see if there is a retracement on this yellow line for AGI. So now it's overbought. So if the stock is in overbought condition, there is a possibility that there is a correction of the price. So the good place where we need to buy EGI in this area is above the EME 20, and if we see the ADX in this area is more than 25. And now is cruising last yesterday is MACD is cruising above the signal line. So it's good to buy this stock yesterday, but now nasa ibabaw na po si EGI. So it's in an overbought level. We need to wait for another retracement if there is a retest of this yellow line or the AME 200 and AME 20. So take note, AGI now is the price is above all exponential moving averages. So for me, I will wait for another retracement for EGI. But if you are a daily trader, you can play. Uh, if EGI will going up, and you will lower the time frame to 1 hour or 5 minutes, so you can see the movement of the price. So now, next one is DMC. This is another company listed in the PCI. It's one of the blue chip company. So if we draw the line for the resistance, it is somewhere in this area. So now, DMC now is almost hitting this yellow line. So if we see the RSI, if it is overbought, it's overbought. It's 77.39. MACD is above the signal line, and above zero line there is a strength or momentum, and also EDX is 46. So there is a strength of the price, but the issue now is the RSI. It's above 77. So maybe we'll hit this yellow line. This is a resistant area, and he will going retrace down. But kung ma-break na itong uh, yellow line, this is the resistance, and the EME 200, so good luck po sa nakabili sa baba. But if we see there the price action, on this area, we will see the closing of the MACD is last October 9. Okay? Yung price, yung MACD ay nag-cross last October 9, and then we will see EDX also above 25, it is 32. So there is a momentum of the price, and there is a strength. So ngayon, umakyat siya ng uh, about how many percent from the support? It's now about 13%. So but now we will need to watch DMC kasi nandiyan na po sa may resistant area. So avoid buying the stock in the resistant area. But if ma-break na itong yellow line, this resistant is good, and we wait for another fallback. So just monitor if DMC will break this yellow line, and if there's a pullback, this is good. Kung maritis na itong yellow line, kung mag-hold, so this is the good place we need to watch DMC again. But tomorrow, if he will not break this yellow line, so just wait for another opportunity for DMC. Thank you very much, Engineer Ibn Bilan, for watching, and Claire Castro. Now let's go to the last one. We'll see BPI. BPI ay umangat ng 0.86% today. So there is a news here that they will give a dividend. The ex-date will be on October 30, and the record date is November 5. So the payment date is on November 26. So magbibigay po ng dividend si BPI. So there's a news for today. So umangat si BPI ngayon. Now we will see the EDX and RSI kung mataas ba. Si RSI is 81. So if we label the resistance, it is somewhere in this area. So nakalusot po siya sa may, it is in the resistance area now. Okay? So the next area na pwedeng matamaan ni BPI in this ay itong linya sa taas. Okay? So kung mauntog si BPI diyan, and then there's a pullback, we need to watch BPI. Napakataas na po ni BPI ngayon, no? We will measure from this area, going to this area, it's around 12.43%. So, and also the price now is in the resistance area. So we need to watch if there is a retracement. So matagal pa yung retracement niyan kung may retracement man na mangyari, no? And our EDX is below 25, it means non-trending. So hindi malakas masyado yung strength niya. But the momentum, ay mayroon pong momentum si BPI. But the issue now is the EDX is below 25. So, we need to watch BPI. Kung mag-stay siya dito sa area na ito, that's good for BPI. But if there is a retracement, we need to watch the price action, or if there is a pattern creating and showing the aggressiveness of the buyer. So mayroon pong pattern din na makikita natin. Kasi yung aggressiveness of the buyer, makikita natin yan through the pattern. So ngayon po yung BPI, hintayin lang muna natin kung may retracement. And then we look after that kung may pattern na na-create niya. There's a bullish pattern. In the price action, there is a bullish pattern and there is so-called also a bearish pattern. But for now, if you see BPI, ay wala pa tayong makikita na pattern. So we need to wait for another opportunity for BPI. So kung may pullback, kasi yung RSI ngayon ay above 70. So he is in the overbought level. Another indicator we check is the EDX. The EDX is below 25. So it means there's no strength, no? Non-trending. Momentum is up, but there's no enough strength because the EDX is below 25. So that is only my analysis for the stock GFC, EGI, DMC, and BPI. So all of these four companies ay nasa overbought level na po itong apat na companies na blue chip companies, no? We consider this one as blue chip companies because it is listed in the PECI, no? It is included in the 30 companies na nandiyan sa PECI. So now the last one now, I will share to you the screener, and just look for the screener and then evaluate. So I will check the screener now. Kung ano po yung mga stock na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. I am sure that there is companies na bagong pasok, and these companies we need to watch the next price action of this company. So I will show it to you. So itong screener ay importante po kasi dito natin na-minimize natin yung pag-check ng uh, mga companies kung nasaan na yung location. So may bago dito yung Tugo, yung Ayala Corporation. AGI ay tumaas ng 6.67%, but the RSI is 77. So it's also in the overbought level. So ATNB, now almost in the overbought. BPI is this is the one we are checking now. It's 81.66. And there is another DNL, which is in 60.52. And HBN, si Golden Raya, nasa 80.88 yung RSI. So it's an overbought level condition now. So IMI is 62. Ito yung mga bagong company, yung black color. Ito yung bagong pumasok sa above exponential moving averages. So GGS also. Yung mga blue color, ito po yung nandito na sa last week o nakapasok na ito. Yung iba nito nasa taas na. So we need to wait for another retracement of these other companies na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So yung PAL po ay tumaas kahapon and then today nag-retrace siya ng 6.46. So we need to see PAL if there is a price action, bullish pattern na ma-create. So this is the time we need to watch PAL. So SMPH, ito yung mga bago na pumasok, and URC. As I said, blue color, this is the previous company na nandito na sa taas ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. Like nickel, mataas na po si nickel, si Now, nasa taas na rin. So we need to see these companies kung may price action showing the aggressiveness of the buyer. So yan po ang screener ngayon. Tingnan natin yung screener. So yun po ang screener. So just check that companies na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. Kung makikita kayo ng company na nag-retrace and then creating a bullish pattern, then this is the time you need to evaluate if there is a strength or if the MACD is above the signal line, if EDX about 25. So this is the time we need to participate if there is a replacement of the companies. So yun lang po yung ano natin ngayon, and I hope you learned something about RSI in overbought condition, because if RSI is above 70, it is considered as overbought, and there's a chance that the price will go in retracement. But there are also some companies na even it is in overbought condition, tumataas pa rin. But ingat tayo dyan, kung may position kayo sa baba, so you can hold your position if you buy it in the lower price. But if you are planning to enter the that company you're planning to buy, uh, don't buy it until there is a retracement. Kasi that is prone for retracement kung mag-overbought na yung uh, price. So that's all for today. Uh, Thank you very much to all of you, and God bless us all.